Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 4, that is division. So in the last class we have learned how to divide long division method, that is by one digit, and today we will learn how to divide by two digit number, long division by using a two digit number. Okay, so as you can see here, the number of students in class 4. Okay, suppose the number of students you are sitting here. So there are 20 students in class 4. So there are 20 students in class 4 and the class need to collect 640 rupees for a picnic. So how much money should each child bring? Means 12 20 students are there and you people want 640 rupees for the picnic. So one children, how much rupees they will bring? Okay, so what is the individual share to collect the 600? So since to get that one, so how much one should bring? So what we have to do? We have to do divide. Okay, so since 640 is to be collected among 20 students, so we will divide 640 by 20 because 20 students are there and total amount is 640. So we need to find out that how much one should bring. So 640 divided by 20 is equal to 32. That means 32 rupees one will bring to collect 642 rupees. So in this way, now we will see here. Now see here another example. So here 360 divided by 10. Okay, 360 divided by 10. So long division method. Okay, so we all know that 360 is a dividend and 10 is a divisor. So we will write in this way. Now in first we will see this 3. So this 3 is smaller than this 10. Yes or no? Yes. So what we have to do? We have to take the two-digit number here. So 3 and 6, 36. Now this is 36 and this is 10. So 36 is bigger. So in table of 10, how many times equal to 36? So no, we cannot take 36 because 36 is not there in table of 10. So we will take 30. Why? We cannot take 40 because 36 is smaller than 40. So we will take 30. So 10 3 is 30. So 6 minus 0 is 6 and this 0 will come down again 6 10 is 60. Okay, so now the answer is 36. That is question is 36 and remainder is 0. Okay, now go easy. Now easy process. How to do? Okay, see here. Draw a line after one digit from back side. From right side means draw one line after a right side means from the back side, that is a right hand side. So since 10 has only one zero, the number on the left of the line, that is 36. The question is 36 and on the right hand side, that is 0. The remainder is 0. The question is 36 and the remainder is 0. Now I will show you how. See here. This is the way. Okay. So 360. Okay, now from the right hand side we will make one line. So this is 10. We have to divide by 10. So we have to divide by 10. So now see here 36. So this 36 will become Q and this 0 will become your reminder. Got it? In this way. Now see here. Again one more. 5386 40 divided by 40. So see the steps, keep it in mind. Okay, how to do. Now see here. Divide by 40. So we cannot divide this 5 because 5 is smaller than this 40. So we will take 53. So 53 is greater than 40. So in table of 40 there is no 53. So we will take We will write here 0 first, okay, and then 40 1 is 40. So now 13. So 3 minus 0 is 3 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, in the second step, this 8 will come down. So in table of 4, we will find out 138. So 4 3 is 12, that is 120. Okay, so 8 minus 0 is 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, this 6 is there, so this 6 will come down. Third step, we cannot take all number together, so step by step we have to do. So this 6 is come down. Now 4 4 is 16, that's 186. 4 4 is 16, that means 160. So 6 minus 0 is 6 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So 26 is smaller than 26 is smaller than 40, and always keep it in mind, remainder is always smaller than this divisor. Keep it in mind, remainder is always smaller than this divisor. Okay, remainder is always smaller than this divisor. So now here question is 134 and remainder is 26. Clear about this? So let's do our exercise. No, sorry, not exercise. See one more example. See here. Now again in the step by step, as you can see here, step by step. Okay, so 6118 divided by 26. So we all know that 6 is smaller than 26. So we will take two number, 61. So in table of 26 there is no 61. So we will take 52 because 6. If we will take by 3. So it will be a bigger with 61. So we are taking by 2. So 2 26 are 52. So 11 minus 2 is 9. So this is the first step. Second step, the next number will come down 191. So 26 3 is a 78. So now 13. In the third step, this 8 will come down. So 26 5 is 130. So 8 will become remainder. Now you can see here. Question is 235 and remainder is 8. Why we are writing 0 here? You know, because this 6 is smaller. So we cannot take this 6. So we are writing here upside 0. If you will not write 0, then also it is correct. Okay, don't worry. Now the one, not this is not a new method, because I taught you in class 3 how to do with the short division method. Okay, short division method is very easy, but only one, there is a one changes in this short division. Before in the class 3 we have done the number which are exactly divisible by the divisor. Okay, but here few remainder is here remainder is also there, so that is why this a little bit different and little bit tough also. So if I will explain you and you will understand and you will do practice, it will become easy for you. Now see, so now suppose 48 divided by 3. So 3 we will write divisor, 3 will become divisor, 48 inside. So the 3 16 ja 48. 3 16 ja 48, as you can see here. 3 16 ja 48. Okay, now 4 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 we are writing here downside. And Q is 1 and R is 1. So this Q is 1 and here 1 goes here 18. So it become 18. So 3 6 ja 18. So now Q is 4 and R is equal to 2. Remainder. Okay. Okay. Got it? Now next one. Number B. See here. Q. 4. This is 187 divided by 4. So 4 we will write here. So we cannot divide this 0. So we are writing 0 here. Now 4 4 is 16. So 18 minus 16 is how much? 18 minus 16 is how much? 2. So this 2 will come with this 7. So it is become 27. Okay, see here 27. As you can see here 27. Now 27 divided by 4 is equal to 26. 6 4 6 are 24. So 3 left. Yes or no? 3 left. So 3 left. So 3, your 3 is become your remainder, and here 46 is become your what? Question. Okay. So you keep it in mind, in this way we will. Now let's do our exercise. So here the question is, divide the following by long division and short division method. Means we have to use here long division as well as short division method. In both the methods we have to solve each question. So let's start it. So number A, 70 divided by 10. So 7 0 10. So 10 7 ja 7. Done. So here Q equal to 7 and R equal to 0. Now sort division. Same question, sort division. So here 70 and here 10. So 10 7 ja 70. So your Q is equal to 7 and your R is equal to 0. Got it? This is long division and this is short division. Now number B. So 240 divided by 30. So 240 divided by 30. So we cannot do by this. So 0. Yes or no? 2 is smaller, so we will write here 0. Now again we cannot do with this 4, so again we will write here 0. Yes or no? So now we will take the number. Okay, now we will take the number. So this will become 240 now. 3 8s are 24. Okay, 3 8s are 24 and 1 0 is there, so we will write here. Now minus. So your Q is equal to 8 and your R is equal to 0. Now sort division. So 240 30 is a so 0 0 8, or you can write directly 8 also, it will be correct. So Q is equal to 8 and R is equal to 0. Okay. So now number C, 8000 divided by 20. So number C, 8000 divided by 20. So first we will 8000 divided by 20. So long division method, 8000 divided by 20. So we cannot do with this. So we will write here 4 2s are 8. That means 4 20s are 80. So this 0 will come down. Again 0. Here 0. So again this 0 will come down. So 0. So this 2 0 two times. So we will write here. So Q is equal to 400 and R is equal to 0. Short division. Short division. Okay. So 8000 divided by 20, that is 400. So Q is equal to 400 and R is equal to 0. Okay. Now next. So now question number D. 1376 divided by 50. So now we have to divide by 50 and we don't know the table of 50. So now what we have to do? So we will do the multiplication and we will find out. So how to do? So suppose we cannot divide this 1 because this is smaller than this 50. So now we will take 2 digit 13. So 13 is also smaller than 50. So now we will take 3 digit, that is 137. So we will find out now 137. So 50 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. 5 2 is 10. 50 multiplied by 3 is equal to 115. So 150 is bigger and 100 is smaller. So we will take 100. So we will write here 2 and here we will write here 100 minus, so 7 will come here, 3 and this 6 will come down. Now so 50 into 4 is equal to 200. So now 50 into 5 is equal to 5 5 is 25. So 50 into 6 is equal to 300. 50 into 7 is equal to 350. So 350 we can take here. So here 2, here 7. So 350. So 0, 6, and here 2. So now 26 we cannot divide because 26 is smaller than this 50. So 26 will become our remainder, and this 27 is your quotient. Now, so your Q is equal to 27 and your R is equal to 20. Now short division. Okay, so 1376 divided by 50. So simple, because we have done with this. So here 0027. So 26 is your remainder. Q is equal to 27 and R is equal to 26. And rest 4 questions.